Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI A810 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to connect the rear view camera. Let me extend a little bit of the image. And now take a look at the right side of your camera. Right here we've got the AV in port. And here we've got the additional camera. Firstly, connect your additional camera to this long cable. And now connect the AV to this port in your camera. As you can see, backup camera is now connected. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.